Great. Hi, Des. Des Fitzgerald is with us. Des, could you tell us, perhaps if you could just introduce yourself briefly, I'd be grateful. Thanks.
Hi, Patrick. Thank you for the introduction. Yeah, my name's Des Fitzgerald. I'm the International Operations Manager and work for Lodge Security. Been in Lodge Security for about 6 years, but been in the security industry, loss prevention mainly, for the last 30 years.
Thanks, Des. Thank you. So, could we start perhaps if you could tell us a bit about what Lodge is doing outside of the UK in international markets?
Yep, so I'm really excited to be given that project. Lodge has been predominantly a UK company delivering in the UK and Ireland, but also delivering in Europe on a small scale. We've just expanded our business and stepped into Europe, and now delivering to 16 separate countries throughout Europe, and also into America, as we've just stepped into as well.
Great, thank you. And can you tell us a bit about the services that Lodge is offering internationally?
Yeah, I think the main really exciting thing for me has been in the industry for such a long time is that we offer a combined solution for our customers, such as man guarding is our main, but we also offer technology, KPNR, all those things, alarm remote monitoring through CCTV, through our intelligence center, and all those sort of things. So really, what really excites me is that, all these services sometimes are spread across several different companies. What we're saying to our clients going forward in Europe is, look, come to Lodge Security and you can get all of your security solution in a one-stop shop, a Lodge shop as such.
Okay, so these could be international companies with a headquarters in the UK, for example, and you could then help them in their sort of satellite countries.
Absolutely. I think there's a lot of UK retailers that are not only Europe, established in Europe, but a global brand. Some big retailers out there. And from what I'm listening to in the market is that I speak to heads of loss prevention, and they've got all their businesses spread all over different areas and different companies. And they really were looking for one provider, and that excites, I think, big conversations when you say, look, I can provide all these security solutions for you, or under one house as such.
Great, which leads me on to ask really, so what would you say are the benefits of dealing with Lodge, with working with Lodge specifically, as opposed to other sorts of companies?
Yeah, I think Lodge, a family, well-established business with a wealth of experience and knowledge dealing with security solutions. I think that we are not the biggest company, but we certainly are the company that will give you that personal service. You're not just a number; you become a customer. We're very proud of our relationships and long-standing relationships with some of our key partners out there, and we always go beyond the miles as such to make sure we deliver a first-class service.
Okay, and any further points on what kind of differentiates Lodge perhaps from other security companies?
Yeah, I think the actual bigger companies, again, sometimes you get lost in transition, where you don't get that number, that personalized service in countries, especially in Europe, where you may have a small business outlet, but you don't get the actual personal service like area manager support, control support, technology solutions all under one house. And I think we can offer that to the market.
Excellent. And all based on that 100+ years of experience and expertise.
Absolutely. As I said, we come with a wealth of experience. We've got so many experienced senior managers in the field, and we are established and well thought of under the profession.
Great, thanks, Des. And final question really is, what are your development plans at Lodge? What's going to happen next?
In the international market, as I mentioned, we've just stepped into the US and we're delivering a service in the New York area. We're branching out to Los Angeles as well. We're taking that very slowly to make sure that we are capable of delivering a really good service. We don't ever want to overpromise and underdeliver, so we're taking it very cautious, but it's been very successful. And then we're looking at sort of like expanding the international business into Asia, and really exciting plans for that area of the world.
Excellent, good. And finally, would it be you then, Des, that people would be talking to initially if they're interested in finding out more about the lodge service?
Absolutely. I'm on various platforms. Always drop me a line on LinkedIn or places like that. And we have a really great sales team and development team. You can talk to them or go on our website. Contact us any way you want. And always happy to share intelligence or share information and let you know what we're doing and how we can help you.
Des, that's great. Thanks for your time. Thank you, Des Fitzgerald.
Thank you.
Bye now.